This is the next page in our notes. We didn't get a chance to get through this today, but we did touch upon using intercepts to graph a line. You can use any method here. I'm going to use cover-up for this problem. So I'm going to just write down that x is 0 as my reminder. And then I'm going to put my 0, comma. So if I covered this up, I now have negative 4y equals 8. And y would be negative 2. And then now I'm going to erase that. And I'm going to say y equals 0. I'm going to cover that up. 2x equals 8. So x must equal 4. So I have 4, 0, and 0, negative 2. So 0, negative 2 is here. 4, 0 is here. And I'm going to attempt to draw a straight line, which you should be doing with a ruler and arrows. And that is what your graph would look like using the intercepts. Now going down to the next problem, we have, oops, I have to erase that. Okay, we have 2/3 y equals 4 minus 1/2 x. So my question would be, would this be easier to do if we wrote it in standard form? I think it would be. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 1/2 x to both sides. So if I add 1/2 x, I now have 1/2 x plus 2/3 y equals 4. And going ahead and doing cover-up method, I'm going to say x is 0. So I'm going to cover this up. I now have 2/3 y equals 4. Remembering, we're going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal, which gives you 3/2. Cross off. We now have y equals 4 times 3 is 12, divided by 2 is 6. So we have 0, 6 as 1. Remember, you can always pause this if you need time to get this copy down, because I'm going to erase so I can do the next part. Okay, so now I'm going to say y is 0, which means that goes away. So we now have 1/2 x equals 4. Remembering, multiply by the reciprocal, 2/1. Those cancel out. We have x equals 8. So we have 8, comma 0 as my other point. So we have 0, 6, which is going to be up here, and 8, 0, which is somewhere over here, and our line, which should be done using a ruler. And there we go. Hopefully this will help with our 1 or 2 practice problems on our homework.